This is the Brio remote control express train. It got a remote control where it can be handled, and the button it got is one for turning on the horn, and it got one button for turning on the light. The light is on the front, and then it got fast forward and a fast backward. It's an express train, so it must be fast. And it also got a push button here, and this one turns off the remote control, so it doesn't work when it's turned off. Yep. To exchange the batteries, there's batteries inside the remote control, and they are put inside here. It got two AA batteries in here, and has to be screwed in. And here we have a list of the batteries inside. The train got several batteries. It got for driving the electric engine. It got two in the front, and they are placed in here. Yep. So here in the front, it got two AA batteries in the front. You can take them out. And underneath in the tender, it got four small batteries, and this is the LR44 cell batteries. And if some of the batteries doesn't work, nothing at all will work. So these cells has to be exchanged, but they are rather expensive. So the first thing to try is to exchange the AA batteries. But if you're in doubt about the small ones, you can take and measure them, and they should be around 1.5 volt, and we can measure this one here. So we got here, it got 1.6 volt, and if it's about below something like 1.2 volts for each of them, they have to be exchanged. So put them in here, plus go here, plus go here, and then we can assemble it again here and screw it. Here we are. For the train to work again. And then we have to place the front batteries. Turn that off. There we are. And then put it to work again. There we go. And backwards, it's blinking on the backwards. And a stop sign. And take that light again. In the front. Here we got the light turning on and off.